In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create liability accounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing finances for your own business or assisting others with their accounting needs, understanding how to properly set up liability accounts in QuickBooks can enhance your financial tracking and reporting. First things first, you'll want to sign in to QuickBooks Online. If you already have an account, simply click on the sign in button. Once you've done that, you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online as your service of choice. If you haven't already entered your credentials, now is the time to type those in and continue onto your dashboard. Once you're logged in, head over to the transactions section. This is your starting point for managing your accounts, and it's essential for keeping track of all financial activities. When you're in the transactions section, you'll see an option that says chart of accounts. Go ahead and click on that. The chart of accounts is the backbone of any accounting software, organizing all the accounts that make up your balance sheet and income statement. Next, you'll want to create a new account. For this, click on the New button. Doing so will open a window that allows you to enter details for your new account. Let's start with the account name. Think carefully about what you want to call this account, as it will be the identifier for this liability in all your future transactions and reports. Type in a name that clearly describes the liability. Now you'll need to select the account type. Since we're creating a liability account, go ahead and choose long-term liabilities. This step is crucial as it categorizes the account correctly for financial reporting. After selecting the account type, you'll need to choose a detail type. Go for other long-term liabilities to further specify what kind of liability this is. The detail type helps give additional context within your financial records, assisting anyone who reviews your accounts in understanding the nature of your liabilities. Once you've categorized your account, it's time to enter the unpaid balance. This balance is what you currently owe, so it's important to be accurate. Next, don't forget to add the as of date. This date should reflect when the liability balance is accurate, usually the date you're entering it into QuickBooks or the start date of your financial period. Adding this date ensures your financials are both timely and relevant. Finally, when you've entered all the necessary information, click on the Save button. This will ensure that your new liability account is now part of your chart of accounts, readily available for tracking and future reporting. And there you have it, you've successfully created a liability account in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, managing your liabilities becomes a seamless part of your financial operations, ensuring you always have accurate and up-to-date insights into your financial health. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.